In today's video, we are going to cover how to set up a separate IOLTA account in Clio Manage. If you are already logged in to Clio Manage, start from the left navigation menu and click Accounts. This opens the Accounts page where your firm's existing account records are listed. From here, click New Account to begin creating a separate account for IOLTA funds. When the account setup form appears, select Trust Account as the account type. This is the key setting since the account needs to be created as a trust account rather than an operating account or another account category. After that, enter a name for the account. A clear label such as IOLTA Trust Account works well because it helps you identify this account later when you are reviewing balances or entering transactions. Next, complete the financial institution or bank account information shown on the setup form. Enter the details that correspond to this specific IOLTA account. If the form asks you to choose a currency, set the account's currency before continuing. Use the currency that matches the account you are setting up in Clio Manage. If the form includes fields for an opening balance and opening balance date, enter those values as required. Make sure the balance and date match the starting information for this account, since that affects how the account appears once it is created. After that, take a moment to review the information you entered. Confirm that the account type is Trust Account, the account name is correct, and the banking details and any opening balance information match the account you intend to track. Once everything looks right, click Create Account or Save, depending on the button shown in your version of Clio Manage. After the account is created, return to the Accounts page and locate the new IOLTA Trust account in the list. Open the account so you can verify that it appears as its own separate trust account, distinct from your firm's operating account and any other trust accounts you may already have. This confirmation matters because it ensures funds can be tracked in the correct place instead of being mixed with another account. When you later record trust transactions in Clio Manage, select this IOLTA account for those entries. Make sure you choose this account each time funds belong in this separate trust ledger so the records stay aligned with the correct trust account. Thanks for watching. Your separate IOLTA trust account is now set up in Clio Manage and ready to be selected for trust transactions.